Okay, we're here again with another Facebook Live. This is Black Diamond Mortgage. I'm Danelle Connors, one of the loan officers here. And as you can see from our title, we're talking about dropping your PMI, getting rid of that, kick it to the curb. We're always looking for ways that we can cut our spending. Everyone, that's a constant thing. That's part of life. So if you've got a mortgage, congratulations, you bought your home. When did you buy it? Are you ready to drop that payment a little bit? Get rid of some of that that's going not towards principal. If you think that you are, let's talk about that. One of the big factors is going to be your home value. So we need your value to be higher than your loan amount, and minimum is going to be 80%. So we need to have an 80% loan to value, meaning you need 20% of that equity built up. Okay, so you say, I bought my house 3 years ago and it appraised for this, I bought it for that, I'm not gonna have that. Well, you might, depending on where you're at and what's going on around you. It doesn't matter what you've been hearing or what you can read, you go on the internet, house prices are going up. Everybody's talking about it. They're going up nationwide. In the state of Montana, they've gone up over 5% just in the last year, with a projected another 1.5% for the next year. So they're going up. You've gained value just by living in your home, just by having it. And John down the street sold his home. That comparable is going to help your appraisal. So if that's happened, if your neighbors are selling their homes and you're watching those values in your neighborhood, in your city, in your state jumping up, maybe you do have that equity, and it's a good time to take a look at that. I've got some graphs here. There's tons and tons and tons of information on the internet. So I just pulled up two just so you can see. So we've got one here that, well, I don't know how good this is going to show up. That shows kind of how it's happening. And depending on if you bought your house down here, and you can see how those values are trending upwards, you may have a lot of value. And then over here, this is a different website. We've got another one where you can see that it's just the way that it's trending, it's going up everywhere. With that being the case, maybe you've got more equity than you even think you have, and that appraisal comes back and you've got 70% loan to value. So not only could you maybe drop your PMI, but let's take some money out. We've got the holidays coming up. Do you want to redo your kitchen before Thanksgiving or before Christmas or before New Year's? That value could be there. There's always going to be the potential to better your mortgage. If you've been making your payments, good job. That's all you need. Make your payments and keep that house for a couple of years. Take a look at that value. Take a look at what's going on around you. At Black Diamond, we're going to be able to sit down and look at how long have you been making your payments, where are you sitting right now, and what do we think's been going on in your neighborhood. If we think that there is a bona fide, legitimate value to changing your loan terms and putting you into a new loan, we're going to help you. We are not going to fluff and tell you one thing when we believe something else. We're going to do our research so that you know you're making a good decision to pay for that appraisal and find out where you're sitting now. So drop your PMI, cut your payment, send more money to principal and less money out there to that private mortgage insurance. If you don't need it, get rid of it. Don't sit on your hiney. All right, so I'm going to let you go. Thanks for listening. If you guys have any questions, please call us. I know that I'm really excited. We've got some really great things happening, so come and talk to us. We want to take a look at what you've got going on. Danelle Connors, Black Diamond Mortgage. Bye.